Fish. In Japan, becoming a sushi chef begins not with fish, but with a broom. For years, the apprentice masters only rice, the heart of every piece of sushi. Only once the rice is trusted does the knife arrive. Every stroke counts. The tool is respected. Then comes the fish. How to choose it, cut it, and honor every part. After years of patience, the apprentice earns the place every chef dreams of, the counter.
The road has been walked.
This is the long road to becoming an itamai, a master sushi chef. Years of patience, stitched into every piece.